channel. So this week I'm going to show you how I made this super cute outfit and this super cute bag in less than 2 minutes. I'll have everything I used in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Alright guys, for this project I'm using an iron-on transfer that I purchased from handmadebytoya.com, and I purchased this purple dress from Walmart, and I'm just going to heat my press to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and the website says to press for 7 seconds and use heavy pressure, but since the image is bigger than my easy press, I actually pressed for 20 seconds and applied my body weight to the easy press so that I had some heavy pressure. And I liked this dress when I got it from Walmart, but once I applied this design to it, it really took it up like 10 notches. This is a great way to personalize the little plain items you have around the house. And then you just peel it off. Look at that. Easy. And the transfers are so versatile, I was able to do the same thing to this canvas tote that I purchased from Amazon. Same thing, heat my press to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and I pressed it again for about 20 seconds using my body weight, making sure that I had heavy pressure. And thank you, Shatoya, for having iron-on transfers available on your website. This is a great option for you guys who want to craft but may not have the necessary equipment. This is awesome. All you do is order online, get it shipped to your house, and press on whatever you want to press it on. So yeah, that was awesome. I really love my dress. I got a bunch of compliments on it, and I'm not a teacher. I really don't need this tote bag, but the design was super cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this tote bag away as a giveaway. So make sure you join my group on Facebook to see if you're able to win the tote. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.